Here are the materials you're going to need for this project. And here's the pieces we're going to cut out. All the dimensions are going to be in the description box. Now I'm just going to fast forward and show you how I drew it. I fold it in half to make sure when I cut it out that it's even. And then I fold it up to make sure that it's enough room for my teether toy to go into. I'm tracing it out again. And then I'm marking down where the nose is going to be. And then cut it out. Now I'm just drawing the ear, and I'm using the head to make the shape how I want it. Tracing it out again so that I can draw the inside. Now I just draw the antler the same way I did the ear. I got the Cricut Mini Easy Press, so I'm going to go ahead and use that as my iron. Then I'm going to start cutting my pieces out. Here's the pieces you're going to need. And this is why I haven't been uploading videos. Isn't he cute? Okay, so back to the project. Here's the pieces. And now we're going to start sewing. We're going to base stitch along the edge right here with a needle and thread. And then we're going to clip up into our base stitches, clip our base stitches, and fold under. This is going to keep some of the raw edges in. And then you top stitch. After that's sewn, I just took some chalk and drew out my eyes, and then took regular thread and stitched it. It doesn't matter if this is messy because I'm going for that shabby chic look. I also drew out the nose, and I did the same thing, but I took embroidery floss and I just kept doing in and out until I filled up the whole thing. Tied it off, and then I did the mouth the same as the eyes. Next, I drew out the cheeks and then took pink embroidery floss, spaced out my stitches to where they looked like they were not next to each other to give it a different look. Take the ears and put the inside right on top of the ear and then sew it down, and then take the other earpiece, put it right sides touching, and sew it closed, leaving the bottom open, clip the tops, and then turn it right side out. Now we're going to put our ears to our body piece, right sides touching, pin it. Take the antlers and sew them right sides touching. We're going to leave the bottom open, and then once that's done, we're going to clip it and then top stitch, and I also stitched some detailing just like this. Put it right sides face down right above the ears and pin this down as well. Put the back piece right sides touching the rest of it, and we're going to sew all the way around, leaving an opening to turn right side out. We're going to clip the corners, and then we're going to turn it right side out and stuff it. I'm only stuffing until the top is full. Once that's done, we're going to close up the hole by pinning it and just stitching along the bottom portion. Right here. Now once that is done, all we have to do now is put our closure, which I'm using snaps. So I'm going to fold it up and mark where I want the snaps to go. Taking regular plastic snaps, I'm going to use 2 flat backs, 1 male piece and 1 female piece, that's what I call them. And then I'm going to insert my snaps. And now all you do is take your teether toy of choice. I'm using these wooded ones from Amazon, and you just put it in and snap it closed. And here's what it looks like. Make this a doe by leaving out the antlers. Also put your pacifier on this instead of a teething toy. I hope you guys liked this tutorial, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you like my channel, then please subscribe. I'd love to have you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.